Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. TINUBU returns to Nigeria after UK trip, continues consultation. All Progressive Congress national leader Bola TINUBU has returned to Nigeria about 10 days after he traveled to the United Kingdom, the Punch has reported. Punch correspondents gathered on Sunday that the former Lagos State Governor and presidential hopeful landed at the Murtala Mohammed International Airport around 8 p.m. Sunday, where he was received by some leaders of his 2023 campaign train. TINUBU spokesman Tunde Rahman confirmed the development to our correspondent in a telephone chat. The 69-year-old politician traveled overseas last week to hold some meetings and further consultations in line with his 2023 presidential ambition.